Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Focus bumper. First, gather your tools: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench. Safety is key, so park your car on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Begin by removing the two plastic clips and two 10mm bolts found at the top of the bumper, usually near the grille. This initial step sets the foundation for a smooth removal process. Next, we'll tackle the wheel wells and undercarriage. Turn your front wheels to one side to easily access the three Phillips head screws securing the wheel well liner on each side. Then, move underneath the vehicle to remove the three 10mm bolts that hold the bumper to the undercarriage, often near the splash guard. Gently pulling back the wheel well liner might expose a few more hidden clips or screws. Now it's time to disconnect and detach. If your Focus has fog lights, carefully disconnect their wiring harnesses by pressing the small release tabs. With all fasteners removed, gently but firmly pull the bumper away from the vehicle, starting from the sides. You'll hear the side clips release. Double-check that all electrical connections are completely free before fully pulling the bumper assembly off the car. For reinstallation, simply reverse the steps. Before putting the bumper back on, take a moment to inspect all clips and mounting points for any damage. Align the bumper carefully, making sure all the side clips engage properly as you push it back into place. Then, secure all the 10mm bolts, Phillips head screws, and plastic clips you removed earlier. A snug fit is crucial for safety and appearance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.